Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna work on the garage because honestly, I've been embarrassed with this mess in the back of shot ever since we started the channel. But before we do that, I gotta do a little bit of housekeeping. We're gonna change up things. Instead of doing Sunday uploads, they're now gonna come out midweek. So that's Wednesday, Thursday. We're finding the schedule, but wanted to make sure you guys knew what was going on. And with that, let's get at it. We're gonna do some drywalling today. So the first thing we gotta do is actually take down the lights and put up some additional vapor barrier. Had this section open. But yeah, just gotta get out there and get that out of the way. But that means I also gotta move twin set. So this is the difference without the lights in the front here, like how much darker this is. But I did want to show you this. So we got these new lights off Amazon, the ones that basically everyone's been talking about, the 3 LED kind of panels. I'll put a link in the description below. They're actually incredible, the difference they make in here. But again, without the front lights on, you can see how dark this is. So what we're gonna do is take down the old clips now that they're down, and we're gonna reuse those because we're just gonna go right into the drywall and then get started. Okay, so we got all the lights down, we got vapor barrier up. It's actually looking a lot better as is. But next thing we're gonna do is actually take this 2x4 and we're going to screw it in about half an inch, 3/4 of an inch down from the ceiling. Now it's gonna let me kind of manhandle the sheet of drywall up by myself, and then we'll just zap it in. Okay. That didn't work. I tried doing the nailing board, tried to lift it up myself, and just couldn't kind of get it sucked up enough towards the wall there. So what we did was went to Home Depot and rented drywall jack. So gonna assemble this and then get at putting up basically 6 pieces of drywall, which is super lame, but gotta do it. They told me how to do this at the store. I don't remember. Almost got it. Almost got it. I'm sure if you use this more often, it would make sense, but I'm not a drywaller. Great success! Here we go, got it loaded on. All we gotta do is jack it up now. Obviously stuff's in the way, so we're gonna fix that. Big one here is we just gotta get over top of the garage door rails first. Okay, so I had to actually swing it around so we get a little bit tighter, but just about there. Okay, we're getting there. Get it up. Got some holes in it. A couple too many holes. Okay, we got the first one up. Looking pretty good, you know. Made a few mistakes. Fixing it on the next one. Plan is drop the hoist down now that I got kind of the eye in. The problem is over here, and that is going with the trap door to the kind of attic. I gotta cut that one out. It's gonna be a pain. Okay, we got the second one up. Got the hole cut for the access to there's a little attic up there. I think what I'm gonna do is actually finish that with like some trim and some wood down the road. So maybe a little bit bigger than it had to be, but not too much. So we got that one up, got that one up. Now we just gotta do these sections in the middle, and yeah, that'll pretty much be it. Then we'll put the lights back up. Haven't decided on what color we want to do the garage in yet, so that will actually be when we take everything down, prime it, paint it, and whatnot. But just want to get this kind of up, and again, hopefully give it a little bit more of a light box effect. Okay, we got it all up. definitely need some tape. I understand that. We got one little section here we're gonna leave open for electrical. That's a quick one, but I need to be able to run wiring, and then later on we'll definitely box this in. But yeah, feels good getting that all secured up there. So now really just gotta put the lights back up. Okay, well, with that, we got it done. We got the lights all up. Still obviously have some electrical to do, but honestly, guys, just take a look at that. That looks way better, and it's starting to come along. Fully recognize we still have the rest of the walls to do in here, but I really got to do the electrical to make sure that we have power to everything. I really want to do 240 volt for a welder, so that's all coming. Just gotta pull a permit and do the work. So little steps, but this feels way more professional already. I'm at the end of my time today, so we're gonna close the video out here. Hopefully tomorrow we get to go back out on the ice and do a little ice racing. So until then, please do that subscribe button, a solid, pound it, and like and comment rather. Until next time, have a great one. Stay safe.